Now I am going to tell you about the ginger kashayam. How to make this ginger kashayam? For ginger kashayam, ginger and 1 bowl with spoon and 100 milligram water, pure water, and for filtering this filter and 1 bowl and palm cluster. Then we are going to make a ginger into small pieces by using ural. In Indian we are using ural and kodavi. Now I am going to make this and this ginger into small pieces. Now I am going to on the bowl with water, 100 milligram water, 100 milliliter water we added. Then on the bowl, then we have to make this ginger along with water. We have to boil it for 2 or 3 minutes. After boiling, we can get the water like this. We have to filter it. And we have to add a cluster, that beets, cluster beets. Then for this, ginger is used for colds and migraines and hypertension. Cold, it is mainly used for colds and hypertension, it will remove. Then also for anti-prostate cancer action in lab tests. Then anti-inflammatory. For all those uses, we are using ginger kashayam. We have to drink this ginger kashayam weekly twice. It will remove our cold. Then we have to avoid those diseases like hypertension and cancer also. Then we have to drink this